Well, dear professor and dear TAs, now I'm going to give out a small demo about the smart classroom. First, I'm gonna introduce is the sign in. The sign in use the GWT authentication, which is a widely used technology in modern browser designs. And now let's introduce the sign up. First, we'll choose a name and we'll put his email in it and then send a 6 stick code. Well, I can see now this now the internet is not that good. So I will try this later. Well, you can now input the password and it also has a second confirm the password too. And then let's sign in now. I'll use my uh, former users. First, I'll introduce the teacher side. Well, for the teacher side, let's sign in. And you can see I have already uh, managed a course. So I'm gonna try to create another course. I'll tr give this a course name like math and description. I can just math is uh, widely used lang language. Yeah, I can create the course. And in the math, you can see there's no students here. So for first, I'm gonna introduce the student management. And when I start the student management, I can add students for those who haven't been selected students. Maybe you can see this is my former town. I can add students from here. Yeah, add students, and the students is have been added successfully. And then I can introduce the classroom interaction. Well, it is a very interesting uh, things. In classroom uh, we always use some questions to interact with students, and there are some ways uh, to make this to make these questions. First, you can start with AI, and by input the question you want to create to the AI, it can uh, help you to create these questions. Let's first choose a topic, math, and second, multiple question, multiple choice, and quantity. I guess I want two questions. And difficulty, I'll choose easy. And then that's sent to the AI. And now you can see AI is thinking. Okay, now you can see two question has been generated. First, which of the following numbers are even? It also give you a red selection. And the second, yeah, which shapes has exactly four sets. It also give you the preview, the right answer. And now you can also create your question by your own self. Uh, like I'll try to give out a voting. All the voting, you can see voting have uh, successfully has been published. And for the questions, I will choose uh, vote for A or B or C or D. And I can choose, and I can, you can see this is the vote options. And there's another, uh, you can see on the right hand, it has create new questions with AI or optimize questions, improve the current questions, and get suggestions. We can try to get suggestions, chat with AI, and I can enter. I want to increase the first multiple choice. Multiple choice. Let's see what AI gonna respond to. You can see the AI has responded correctly, and I can tap again. Tap again. I want to increase the first one. Trust difficulty. You can see the AI give you suggestion, and then you can see on the second line, it says, "I will help you optimize which of the following numbers are even," and I give you some suggestion. And third, you can tap here to create another questions using AI. And if you want to, if you have decided which questions to publish, you can uh, click publish now, and the students can read this. And by selecting this on the red corner, red up corner, there's a QR code. And by showing this QR code, the students don't need to log into the platform. They can just scan the QR code to answer the question. Yeah. And let's back to courses. This is the core classroom interaction. And then there's a classroom task. The classroom task, you can teachers can create new task and leave it give out the task to students for them for their after class work. Yeah, let's enter a task title. Well, I think I will enter upload and essay. Yeah, description, I can just type anything I want. And due date, I guess this date is good and draft that will be published. And then created, it can be seen by the students. Well, I will show you later. And the third is the course materials. You can upload the course materials like title. I'll choose ER 1, 2, 3 and select the file. Or the file can be anything. Well, like select this assignment and upload. Yeah, you can see it has uploaded successfully. And what's more, there's one thing that very important, very interesting is the question bank. Well, the question bank, you can select to create a question bank, give a name like math, and create. And you can also create these questions. Well, this question bank is used for when after the class, the teacher can sync some of the questions and put the questions in the question bank, which in the classes, the teacher can import those questions into the question bank from the question bank. Like a single question, I'll tap what is one, sorry, 1 plus 1. And the option I can choose, I can have 1, 2, 3, 4. It definitely two, right? And I can create this question. And I can also create another question like this rating question, uh, question title, read this class. Okay, they have 5 sets, and we create this question. And you can see this question here. And let's go back to the classroom interaction. And now you can choose to create new and you can import from the bank. That's the question that we just set up. There are two. You can import them and you can publish them. And now students that they can see two questions. Yeah. Okay. That's the basic features in the course in the teacher platform. Let's turn to the student platform. I'll tap in my name and my password. I can sign in. Yeah, you can see I successfully sign in, and I'm the only one student in the math. And I enter these courses. You can see the classroom interaction, and I can join the things which are the following numbers are even. I just select it in the in what I want. Okay. Yep. And after this, I can submit the answer. Yeah, your answer has been successfully submitted. And you can see here it has been labeled as completed. And this is active clear click to participate. Well, I'm not going to participate in now. And well, I'm gonna show you the next thing. Well, this is the course tasks. You can view the assignments that the teacher just give out to you. Yeah, you can see upload an essay, submit. You can type your answer like this is my submit and choose a file like this and submit the assignment. You can see the assignment submitted successfully. And what's more, in the course materials, you can also see the file I just uploaded from the teacher platform, and you can also download it. Yeah. And well, that will be all of the student platform. And now let's go back to the teacher platform. Well, in the teacher platform, uh, and I can sign in as a teacher. Yeah, I can see the classroom interactions. You can see uh, this is the participant. This is one participant, and I can if I start into this, it is still ongoing, so I cannot see the result. I need to end the session. Yep, I gotta end this session, and I can view the results. Total response fully correct. I can even see the percentage of the options that's selected by students. And this rate start, this star rate And this view, you can just view this these things, these results. Yeah, as you can see. And let's back to interactions. Well, and the classroom task, you can see the things that are uploaded just by the student platform. Yeah, you can see this is the content that I write, and this is my assignment, and you can also download it and to see. And you can also give a grade. Well, I will definitely give myself 100 grade. I can also give the feedback, and the feedback is like your job is very good. Okay, save grade. And this can be seen by the student platform. Yeah. Oh, let's turn to the student platform. Let's see if it is successful. Into the student platform, and you can see this is the task that didn't done. Let's done it. What is 1 plus 1? Definitely 2. Read this class, definitely 5. Okay, submit this answers. And the viewer, the assignments, you can see your score and the feedback by your teacher. Yeah, has been completed. So this that you have already submitted. Okay, let's go back to teacher platform. Okay, well, you can now, oh, what's wrong with the internet? You can see this has been, one student has participated in this. Oh, I don't know what is wrong with the internet. Okay, let's end this session. Wow, what is wrong with this? Okay, you can now view the results. Well, 100% average rating, 5, 100% accuracy. That's what we done. That's what we have done uh, just now. Okay, now let's turn to the admin. Yeah. Now we go to the admin login platform, and we just enter the admin and see what is the admin platform look like. I'm sorry, oh, I don't know what is wrong with the internet. Now we enter the admin dashboard, and you can see, well, it's just can't be loaded because of the bad internet. And this is the main feature. You can delete or view, add, disable the users. And you can see the recent activities and the course activities, the user growth trend. Well, that will be all. Thank you.